How to take panorama photos on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. So if you want to take a wide panorama photos using any iPhone, then here is how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to take panorama photos, simply go and open up the camera application from your iPhone, and for the camera section you'll get to see two different options, video and photos. So what you have to do is just need to slide to the right in order to get into the panorama mode. You'll get to see the panorama mode. This is the panorama mode, and once you're done, all you have to do, you just need to go and tap on this capture button, and you just need to keep your phone to the center line, to the position where exactly you want this one, following the same way. And once you're done, simply go and tap on this capture button again, and those area will be covered and the panorama photos will be captured widely on your iPhone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.